Guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use approve new participants on WhatsApp group. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp. So let me open WhatsApp first. Okay, and then you simply need to select your group. Click on your group name on the top, scroll down and click on group settings. And here you can see approve new participants. Here you can see that when turned on, admin must approve anyone who wants to join the group. So once this feature is on, if someone send request to join the group, you can, if you are admin of the group, you can see pending request, and if you want to add people, you can add from there. So this is a process by which you can use a new feature of Instagram, that is approve new participants. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.